The Lenovo 15.6-inch ThinkPad T590 laptop is a business-ready system designed with the performance, connectivity, and security you need. Specs-wise, it's powered by a 1.8 GHz Intel Core i7-8565U quad-core processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1 TB M.2 PCIe NVMe Opal 2 solid-state drive. Should you need more room, you can attach external storage solutions via its two USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a single USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port, and a single Thunderbolt 3 port over USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C. Both USB Type-C ports support power delivery and DisplayPort technology. There's also a microSD card reader available. Its 15.6-inch multi-touch display, driven by an integrated Intel UHD Graphics 620 chipset, is built with a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution IPS panel. If you wish to extend or mirror your display, you can utilize its HDMI 1.4 port. Connect to the internet via Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, or with Gigabit Ethernet LAN for a more stable and reliable connection. Other integrated features include Bluetooth 5.0, a 720p webcam, a microphone, speakers, and an audio in/out jack. Included with this laptop is a 65W USB Type-C power adapter. The operating system installed is Windows 10 Pro, and you can keep this laptop safe with its integrated fingerprint reader. Like all ThinkPad laptops, the T590 is tested against 12 military-grade requirements and more than 200 quality checks to ensure it runs in extreme conditions. From the Arctic wilderness to desert dust storms, from zero gravity to spills and drops, you can trust this laptop to withstand. The ThinkPad T590 delivers up to 15 hours of battery life. If you're running on empty, Rapid Charge provides an 80% charge in just an hour. So, a 60-minute lunch break or a layover is enough to boost your battery up to 12 hours, whether you're out in the world or working at your desk. The ThinkPad T590 keeps you connected. Use the ThinkPad Pro dock, sold separately, a USB Type-C side mechanical docking station that easily connects with two male USB Type-C connectors that slide into and automatically level your device. Once docked, your ThinkPad stays securely in place and connects to all of your peripherals, such as monitors, keyboards, and mice. The ThinkPad T590 includes ThinkShutter, a physical cover that ensures your camera is on only when you want it to be. It also has an IR, infrared, camera and fingerprint reader for biometric login. The discrete Trusted Platform module keeps your data encrypted, so your company data remains safe. After its hiatus in Windows 8, the Start menu has returned. Utilizing a combination of the traditional menu system and Windows 8's live tiles, the improved Start menu gives you more information at a glance, showing notification information alongside your applications and other pinned items. After nearly 20 years, Microsoft has finally replaced its Internet Explorer web browser. With Microsoft Edge, users can write directly on web pages and share notes with friends and colleagues. It also improves the online reading experience by adding a distraction-free mode and read it later functionality. Edge also has built-in Cortana integration. You can have her help you find a restaurant, make a reservation, and pull up directions without leaving your browser. For Windows 10, Microsoft has unified the Windows Store. Now, apps for PCs, tablets, and phones will all be accessible from one place. And with support for universal apps, one version of an app can work across all your compatible devices automatically. Windows Continuum. Windows 10 was designed for a variety of screen sizes and input styles, and with its Continuum feature, it automatically adapts to fit your needs. A Windows 10 tablet on its own requires a touch-centric approach, but attaching a mouse and keyboard will shift everything to a more traditional interface. You can even attach an external monitor to your Windows 10 phone for a near-desktop experience. But it's not just the operating system. Windows Universal apps take advantage of Continuum as well. Gaming is a big focus of Windows 10. Xbox integration allows for PC players to match up against Xbox One players on supported games, and if you have an Xbox One, you can even stream compatible titles to your PC. Native support for recording with the new Game DVR feature makes it easy to capture and share your gameplay. The new DirectX 12 takes better advantage of multi-core processors, giving games a performance boost, even on older hardware. Windows 10 also features native support for virtual reality headsets, such as the Oculus Rift. The Pro version of Windows 10 includes all of the features of Windows 10 Home plus many designed specifically for business users, including Hyper-V virtualization, BitLocker disk encryption, and remote desktop access. Devices will also be able to join domains and the Azure Active Directory, and they can even access a specialized